Welcome to my channel One for All. Today I am going to share with you some of best language learning apps according to my experience. I have been trying to learn new language for about 10 years now. So in order to do so, I started using these apps and I started collecting information about them, doing research about various apps. So today the purpose of this video is that all the data that I have collected to share it with you, and maybe it will be helpful for you in your journey of learning a new language, which is I believe a beautiful experience. Let's start without ado. The first step, as you have already guessed, I think, is Duolingo, which is the world's most famous language learning app, and I am sure most of you have used this in your life to learn a new language. It's a great app, no doubt. It has its cartoonish theme, which mostly people love. It knows how to build interest of its users and how to maintain the interest. It's great for learning language, but it's the thing about the Duolingo is it's not for advanced learning. Like you start using Duolingo and after some time you believe that the growth of your learning, the pace it has decreased, and especially if you want to learn a language professionally, like you want to give language exam or you want to learn for your career, for your education, for that Duolingo is not enough. It is a free gamified language learning app that helps beginners and intermediate learners practice over 40 languages through bite-sized lessons. It covers reading, writing, listening, and speaking skills with a fun, interactive design. The app is ideal for casual learners and those starting a new language. While it's highly engaging and habit forming, it lacks depth for advanced learners, as I have already talked about it. It's not for advanced level language learning. Let's move to our next second app, which is Hello Talk. And I personally believe this should be on the first. The reason for that, the best way to learn a language is by talking, and what can be better if you can talk to the locals, like you are learning Spanish and you are able to talk to Spanish locals. So I believe this is the best, like this is the best comprehensive app for that. Here you can join groups and live streams according to the language you want to learn. It can be Russian, it can be Spanish, it can be German. Any language you want to learn, you just have to go there, and there are multiple hundreds of locals which are uh, doing live streaming. You can join, you can even talk to them, you can listen to their conversations, and it's great. It has helped me a lot. It, like I cannot even emphasize how much this app has built my confidence and motivated me to talk. It is a language exchange app that connects users with native speakers around the world for real-time practice through text, voice, and video chat. It offers built-in translation. It has multiple features: translations, corrections, pronunciations tools. With over 150 languages supported, it's best for conversational practice. As I have said, like the best way to learn a language is to converse, to talk, and for this you will find no app better than this. and culture exchange. A free version is available, but the most of the features which are mentioned here, like translation and correction and these kind of things, here you are not you will not be getting in free version, so you will have to move to VIP plan. Now let's talk about our third app in the list, which is AirLearn. AirLearn is a language learning app developed by an academy designed to provide a structured and culturally immersive experience for learners. It offers concise lessons that focus on teaching vocab, grammar, and cultural context. Before moving on to practice exercises, the app supports multiple languages including Spanish, French, German, Japanese, Korean, and many others. Features like speech recognition, offline access, and community engagement through weekly leagues enhance the learning experience. While the app offers some free content, access to advanced lessons and features required a subscription. But I must mention this here that the subscription for Airline is minimum, like it's less than $half for a month in my in my country. And I think this app is giving a tough competition to Duolingo, as it has a similar pattern. It has same cartoonish theme, same kind of learning experience that we get from Duolingo. But the good thing I like about AirLearn is its explanation of everything. Like you don't get that in Duolingo, but here you can get explanation of everything you will learn. If you're learning a new word, a new sentence, it will explain the vocab behind that, and for that I love Airlearn. Let's move to our fourth app, which is Busu. It's a great app. It's a great app. It's a comprehensive app. It has a lot of podcast in rich vocab. It has stories, and it's great even for professional learning. This app is very great. It has a lot of content. The con is that it is a paid. Like you get some features, many lectures you can use free in free trial and free version. But if you want to enjoy all its features, especially to be able to practice with native speakers and offline access, all these kind of things, you will have to buy their premium plan. But it's a great app. Next is Bilingual app. Bilingual is a language learning app that enhances reading and listening skills through bilingual audiobooks. Yes, it has audiobooks, it has podcast, it has even videos, like it has all sort of content that one can imagine. So the way it teaches you is by immersion. Like you listen, you see, you hear, and by immersion you you learn the language. And I think it's one of the best way to learn a new language. The app offers a diverse library including fairy tales, news, articles, music, catering to various proficiency level. Additional features like vocabulary, flashcards, and quizzes. Quizzes helped me a lot. Like they are very beneficiary and they are very helpful. Like a test, and it pushes your mind to exult and to learn and to retain whatever that you have learned. Another app is Chatterbox, and it's like Bilingual app. Like there are few differences. It has some more languages and these some more features like live lessons and custom video classroom. And it's a great app. Again, It's pre it's paid. You can use some free features of course, but to enjoy all the content you will have to buy, and it's a expensive app. uh, but it's great app and it's worth it. It has streams, it has video classrooms, it has personalized instructions, and it's a great experience. Next is Monly languages, and I'm sure a lot of people have not, most of people have not heard about this app, but it's also a great app. It has a lot of languages, almost 41 languages. It features short gamified lessons, speech recognition for pronunciation, and chatbot conversations for practice. Available free with basic access. The premium version unlocks all content. It's ideal for beginners and intermediate learners looking for interactive and fun language practice. Language transfer. The thing that I want to say about this app, that anyone that wants to improve their listening, this app is the best. Like, it's a app with which has only audio content. Like, it has many podcast audio lessons, and anyone wants to improve their audio skill, their listening, listening to a new language and their understanding. This app is this app is best for that. And on top of that, it's all free. You don't have to buy anything. All the lecture, all the audio podcast audios, lessons, they are all free. Next is Lingodeer. Lingodeer is a language learning app offering structured courses in 12 languages, including Japanese, Korean, Spanish, French, German, Chinese, and more. It emphasizes grammar and vocabulary through interactive lessons, quizzes, and pronunciation practice with native audio. The app provides a free version covering basics and a premium subscription for full access, including offline learning, cross-device synchronization, and advanced features. Next app is LingQ. It's a language learning platform that emphasizes immersive content-based learning. It offers a vast library of authentic materials such as podcasts, books, and articles with accompanying transcripts, allowing learners to read and listen simultaneously. Users can import their own content like YouTube videos or ebooks to create personalized lessons. The app tracks vocabulary acquisition through a spaced repetition system and provides tools like flashcards and progress statistics. As you have seen all the 10 apps which I have searched about and shared with you, in the end I have some bonus apps. On the first we have Fellow, and I think it's a great app too for total beginners. It's a great app. It has simple and user friendly interface, and it can definitely help you learn or even improve your language learning. Second is Linguist. It's again a great app. It is paid, but it has a lot of very good and interesting content. Third one is YouTube, and I think it's best. Like, there are thousands of lectures, courses of almost every language, and even you can search, like you can search about any specific word or grammar that you are not getting it or that is difficult to grasp, and you can search and YouTube will give you everything. Another is Babbel, and the last app in this list is Memrise.